Hello everyone, welcome back to our garden. Today we're gonna be playing a family fun game. It's called Guess the Seed Challenge. We will be finding out which seed goes into a plant. Let's find out.
I am ready to win. I'm ready to win.
Alright, here is the first one. Look closely. What do you think these little round ones are?
It looks like tomato.
It looks like broccoli.
It looks like
Broccoli. It looks like broccoli.
it looks like cabbage.
Let me smell it. No, it's broccoli. It's not like broccoli shader. It's not like broccoli.
What do you think it is?
Broccoli.
It's broccoli?
Yes.
What do you think it is, Kaden?
Tomato.
Tomatoes? What do you think, Sarah?
It's broccoli and it's no good.
How you know it's broccoli?
It doesn't see the round. And it's healthy food. Yeah, and I like eating broccoli. That's why I get that right. And me too. So that's why it's broccoli.
Okay, so you're right. Sejan, Sarah, you got it. It's broccoli. This is round 2. We're gonna be playing the tiny seeds guessing game. Can any one of y'all guess which seeds they are?
Carrots. Spinach.
That looks like cabbage.
Are you sure?
Cabbage.
Yeah.
It looks like cabbage.
You said it looked like cabbage, Sarah? Are you sure?
Carrots.
What they are, Sejan?
Carrots.
They are carrots?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You positive?
Yeah.
What about you?
It looks like spinach.
Spinach? How you know it look like spinach?
Yeah, it looks like this.
It look like it? You sure? How about you?
It looks like cabbage because I don't know. I just feel like it.
You don't know, you just feel like it? What you say?
Carrot.
I don't think it's carrot. I don't think it's spinach.
It's carrot. It's spinach.
It's not spinach.
I think it's spinach.
What you think?
It's cabbage.
It's spinach.
So you're gonna stay to cabbage?
Cabbage.
I don't think it's cabbage.
It's carrot.
It's carrot?
Now, do you know how to guess this?
You want me to help you?
It's carrot.
Oh, the fun of me helping you, Zara.
But it can do it. It's carrot.
Okay, well, we gonna let the audience decide what kind of seeds they are. They're gonna help you, okay?
Okay.
What's your choice? Just cabbage? How about you? That's your final choice?
Yes.
How about you?
My final choice.
Your final choice. Okay, so we're gonna let the audience decide what it is. Because y'all got it wrong. It's gonna be lettuce. When you look at the seeds, the lettuce seed is very small. Okay, so guys, this is the bonus round. It's called a mystery mix. Guess as many as you can. So what? So right here, guys, we got a mystery box with so many different types of seeds. Can you guess which type of seeds they are?
It looks like broccoli, lettuce, cabbage, and tomato.
Which one look like broccoli?
This one.
It's broccoli.
Okay, this is broccoli.
Which better do you want?
Which one is?
No, this.
Which one is? Which one is it? Fish?
Broccoli. Broccoli.
Yeah, which fish is it?
Broccoli.
Show me the seeds for broccoli. Which one? The round one?
Yeah.
And which other one you got in your hands?
This is a cucumber seed. And this
It's pepper seed.
and this is a lettuce seed.
Yeah.
What about you, Sage? Which one is this?
And cucumbers. Oh,
This a cucumber?
yeah. I love it. And I think it's broccoli, tomato, radish. What's that?
Actually, I think this little seed is peppers.
Which little seed is peppers?
This one.
I
You
think
sure?
Yes.
You sure?
I think it's
What do you
broccoli.
think? It's called a mystery box for a reason.
It's how
Yes, man. What it is?
the broccoli, radish, and tomato.
Yeah, you're telling me, but you're not showing me. They got so many seeds. I don't know which one.
This one is cucumber.
I think
This one is broccoli.
this
This one is pepper. And this one is tomato.
this one. Cucumber,
But it says which one is it?
broccoli. I think it's cucumber, broccoli, and tomato.
Okay, so we'll see who's the winner. How many you got?
3.
Okay, so we're gonna let the audience decide who is the winner because this was a challenging and it was a mystery box, so we had so many different types of seeds. So we're gonna let them decide. What y'all think, guys?
Good.
What do you think, Zara?
Good. It doesn't die. The sea doesn't die. The sea doesn't die. The sea doesn't die. The sea doesn't die.
That was a lot of fun. The challenging part about this was the last part, where we had to guess all the seeds combined. It really made me use my brain.
I want a great turn this time. I want a great turn that time. See you in the next
See you in the next one, guys.